Welcome, my most amazing artist, to painting today with Miss Sarnowski. Today we are going to use the primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue, to paint the background of our artwork. Now, we are going to be not only artists, but color mixing scientists, right? To see, when mixed together, what red, yellow, or blue make. Can we all say primary colors? Nice job. Can we all say primary colors are red, yellow, blue? Did you say it? Nice job. First, we're going to begin by taking our brush and gently wiping it on the side of the cup. Notice my brush is wet because these are watercolors and they need water to wake them up. So I'm going to take my brush, I'm going to swirl it in the red, say, "Get up, red, get up, it's time to wake up." So I'm waking it up with my water. I'm swirling it around a few times. And now you can see there's some red on my brush. I'm going to paint a little spot of red on my artwork and then just fill it in. Now that is a little bit light. It almost looks like pink. If you would like to make it darker, you could keep swirling your brush in the red. Now watch. Ooh, that's darker now. So if you want darker colors, you just have to swirl a few more times. Now red is my first primary color. What's my next primary color? If you said yellow, you'd be correct. Now, I have red on my brush, so I don't want to dip it in yellow yet. My brush is going to travel over and take a little bath in the water cup, swirl it around a few times. I'm going to gently wipe it off, right? And you want to avoid tapping. Do you hear this? If I'm tapping, little droplets of water could be splattering on my paper, my artwork, or my clothes, and that is not what I want. So if you ever need to take your brush for a bath, you always gently wipe it on the side. And then, what is my next primary color? Oh yeah, yellow. So I'm going to swirl my brush around in the yellow to wake up the yellow. Wake up, yellow. It's time to get up. Now I have yellow on my brush. I can paint a nice little spot for the yellow. All right, last primary color. Can I just take my dirty brush, my dirty yellow brush, and stick it in the blue next? The blue cries, no, don't get your dirty yellow brush in me. Right, so I go take my paintbrush for a bath, swirl it around, gently wipe it off, and now I can grab the last primary color of blue. I'm going to make a little spot. Well, I think I want that to be darker. I'm going to swirl it around some more and fill it in. All right, so now we have painted with all of the primary colors. Let's turn ourselves into scientists and experiment with color mixing. So again, I'm going to rinse my brush, always in between. Now, I know that your paint palette has other colors like orange and green and purple and brown and black, but we are not going to use them today because we're going to do an experiment. I'm going to take my brush again. I'm going to dip it into the orange. This time, I'm going to use the paint palette. Palette means a place to mix your paint. I'm going to use the top part here. I'm just going to make a little dot of red. Rinse my brush. What's my next primary color? Hopefully you know it's yellow. I'm going to take some yellow. I am about to mix red and yellow. What do you think red and yellow make? Let's see. It makes orange. Red and yellow makes orange. Can we all say red and yellow makes orange? Nice job. And now I can paint a little spot of orange right on my paper. The next thing that I want to do is I'm going to take some yellow, swirl my brush around in the yellow, make a little dot on my paper. And then I'm going to use the next primary color to mix. So I'm going to take a little bit of blue, not that much. I'm going to rinse my brush off again. Just going to take a teeny bit of blue. I'm going to add it to the yellow. And it makes Green. Can we all say yellow and blue make green? Nice job. Yellow and blue make green. All right, and my last color mix, I'm gonna rinse off my brush. I'm gonna take some blue. I'm gonna put it on my palette. Now, can I just take my blue brush and dip it into the red? No, no! Red is crying. Red doesn't want to get dirty. So I give my brush a bath, gently wipe it. I'm gonna take my red and mix it on my palette into the blue. What color do you think blue and red make? Let's find out. Ooh, blue and red make purple. Right, so I'm gonna paint a little spot of purple. Now I noticed that this is kind of still a little bit red. I actually might go back. I'm gonna rinse my brush and add a little bit more blue. So that's a good lesson to learn. If you are not happy with your color right away, right, you can go back and keep mixing it until it looks like the mixed color you want. Right, so now blue and red make purple. If I wanted to make that darker, I could keep swirling my brush around. Now notice, did I actually use the orange paint, the green paint, or the purple paint? No, I was a color scientist today, and you are going to be one too. Good luck today making the primary colors and trying to experiment to make the secondary colors. Can we all say secondary colors? Nice job. Can we all say secondary colors are orange, green, and purple? Awesome. Have so much fun today being artists and scientists.